Hey y'all, Rural Readiness here. Rural Readiness and the girl that I got left. Stop, brat. So, those of you that are on the Discord server, you know about the coon attack that I had that wiped out all of the chickens that I had except for this one. So I've got one chicken left, and so I let her out first thing in the morning, and when it gets evening time, I will bring her in at night until I can figure out what to do with the coop to try to save any more chickens that I get. So I'm going to show you the coop, and I'm going to go put her in a cage in the house. So that's where she sleeps, is in the house, and I'm going to go put her in there so she can settle down for the night. And I'll bring you back in just a second. This is the coop, and granted, it's not built to code by anybody's code. Yeah. Callie's like, where they at, Mama? Where they at? Anyway, the inside of it is, the top of it is covered with the chicken wire, and then I built them that little shade thing with the roost. But yeah, so the coon got in, destroyed all of my chickens except for the one. Yeah, they're not here. She knows better. She knows she's not allowed in the chicken coop. But so I'm considering a security system with, I've been looking at different ones. I'm considering one with a light and a siren that can be activated remotely. I don't know, it's kind of pricey, but you know, my chickens make me happy. So I'm thinking I'm going to go ahead and bite the bullet and get some kind of security system, because my coop, you know, for nighttime is where I keep my chickens, and during the day they're out. But I was not here the night that the coon attacked. Once again, those of you on the Discord server know that Josh was admitted into the hospital. So he was in there for 2 days. So I spent the night at the hospital with him, and while I was at the hospital is when the attack happened. So I wasn't even here. I just come home from the hospital and found all my chickens except for the one. So anyway, that's what I've been dealing with lately. And I'm almost ready to take this test, so I'll be finished with that, and the certification will be over, and I can get my life back to normal. But this certification is very important to me. So anyway, enough about that. So stay tuned for which security system I'll go with, and I'll show you the setup of that, and we'll see how it goes. So while I have the camera out, and I haven't put any videos up because my head's been in a book lately, I'm going to do a garden walkthrough. I haven't done one lately, so I'm going to let you see what my poor pitiful garden looks like. And hang on, I'll bring you back. Alright, so this mess of weeds and stuff is my garden. Yeah, it's pretty bad. Anyway, let me open my gate. My tomatoes are doing pretty well. The mortgage lifters that I had were like burnt up when I was gone. I see some red ones on here. I need to get those off so they can be it. Yeah. I've got some more. So while I was gone, the mortgage lifters that I had burnt up. So I had to replant to be in the mortgage lifter competition. So they're up. They're like an inch tall. And I need to get my blowtorch and go visit the other competitors. So my mortgage lifters will have a chance in the competition. Yeah, yeah. Need to go visit some folks. Yeah. They're doing well. These are not the mortgage lifters. I think I'll leave those for a couple of days. Yeah. My 7 dust is on here. And there are those of us that know about the 7 dust. That's alright. Callie's eating the grass. Oh God. Anyway, these are the cucumbers that I don't have on a trellis yet. They're just kind of taking off in the bed. So I'll come through here, and I've already gotten a couple of cucumbers. I'll come through here and I'll pick up the vine and look under, see if I have any cucumbers that are ready. I don't see any. I'm just gonna move them aside and look and see. I've got a bunch of little ones. Oh, look at that one. I need to go around there and get that one. These are the peppers. They seemed to be recouping after the attack of the cricket things. So hopefully they'll come on out. And then these are the squash and zucchini that I put in the bed. They're doing okay. Let me go right here and get that other cucumber. Yeah, so I just kind of move them. So far they're staying in the bed. Where did I see it? There it is. I think it needs to be it. There's another one. I'll eat this one for supper. Well, not really supper, just like a snack. Like a cukey snack. Hopefully I'll get a trellis up, because they're like coming over the side. But you know what? It's okay. It's alright. That's what I say. These are the watermelons. Got blooms coming on. So let's see how they do. Those are the cantaloupes. There's blooms everywhere. Those bell peppers don't look like they're gonna make it, but it'll be alright. So this grassy knoll is my squash and zucchini that I had in the ground. See what I got. I got some blooms. Got some little zooks. Little zooks in there. Nothing to be bragging about, I can guarantee you. Callie, you're breathing like you're dying, sister. Yeah, got some little zooks in there. And blooms everywhere. And then I got cantaloupe and watermelon over here in the grassy knoll. Maybe I'll get them weeded one day. I can't deal with it though. Between work and everything else, Lord have mercy. I don't think these are going to make it. Those are those bell peppers. I don't think they're going to make it. But we'll see. My raspberry bushes. Yeah, every time I come through here, I'll pick them. I mean, I don't have a lot, but the ones that I do get, they are really good. Yep, yep. I love them. My strawberries didn't do very well. I think they got too hot. I don't know. I've never grown strawberries, so I don't really know what to do. So I'm just going to leave them and let's see what they do. Yep, the weeds are taking over. But it'll be alright. You know? Between work and all this other stuff, I do the best I can with what I have. Anyway, so that's what I got going on. I know y'all think I've dumped YouTube, but I have not. Just got to get through this test. It's just important. So that's it for me, and until next time, I'll see you later.